Hey guys, Ace of Bats here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Wanted to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, helps us bring more quality content to you guys, and then that's going to get you guys to the lovely Mirage Volcano a lot faster. Hey guys, welcome back to Ace of Vegas here. So today we're actually going to play Forbidden Sevens. That's one I've actually wanted to play for a little while now. We just finished up with the Grand Megastars, had a blast with that. So someone in the comment section actually explained which song that was in the second one. The second one was Toxic by Britney Spears for that last bonus game that we played in Megastars. I'll go ahead and put a link to it in the description box below, and put a link over here to our last one, and then we'll just go ahead and go from there. But yeah, let's go ahead and play Forbidden Sevens and get this one over with too. Alright, so I haven't actually played this game. I'm not sure if it looks kind of like an Ainsworth slot. I'm not entirely sure though. It looks like, oh, okay. So we're looking at a bet line of 400,000. So once again, we're going to be risking about 40 million chips. And we're starting with 279,908,236 chips here. So let's go ahead and get this party train rolling. And 3, 2, 1, make some noise. Alright, it looks like 7 is kind of the whole shtick here. Lots of lucky 7s, and it's another fruit machine, kind of like all the classic ones. It reminds me a little bit of Bedrock, actually, just kind of the layout here. And it's got that kind of cool little tiki sort of vibe to it. Music is kind of generic, not gonna lie. I guess it's a jackpot game. I'm not sure how the whole jackpot works, though. It looks like there are free spins involved. I'm not sure if you get a jackpot on the free spins or if it's just like a big jackpot over there that you... Oh, no, I guess it's a big jackpot that you win, so it's one of those games. A lot of double wilds. Wilds are all times 2 with the payout. Not much going on this one over here. So trying to plan another trip to Vegas. I think this time I want to see if we can get downtown, go to Binion's or something like that, but it's only going to be a 2-day trip. Just going to be me and one day going for the weekend, assuming that we can get the time off of work. It's going to be holiday season. It's going to be a little tough. We're doing a lot of stuff at the office. Winter is always a very trying season in the medical field, and in the education field. Obviously, it gets kind of close to Christmas break and all that, but that doesn't always line up with the rest of the world too. Is an unfortunate thing. So we're going to try our best to get out there. If we can, awesome. If not, hey, whatever. I'm always going to have a couple extra points. We still have like 700,000 points. We were still profitable from the last trip when Harley and I went out there. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, talked to one day and she's like, yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can. If we can, awesome. If not, hey, don't sweat it. We'll just go ahead and go. Well, we're definitely planning a trip for like April or May before it gets too crazy. Like maybe slightly post spring break and maybe pre-summer break. So, all the college kids aren't flying out there and wrecking our shop, wrecking our day there. Man, this is such a lame slot, I gotta admit. I think we're already about 60 spins in right now. And we just haven't really made any traction. It's rather disappointing. A lot of 7s on this one. They seem to be putting out this fun little game over here on the side over here. There's some sort of gremlin involved in this, but I haven't triggered a single gremlin spin at all either. So definitely 60 spins in. Haven't really done anything else. Making plenty of loyalty points though. That's pretty consistent. I am just about done with the trip report and the beginner's guide to MyVegas, so I'm hoping I can get those both up this week here too. Probably Friday and Saturday, depending on how I schedule these videos. I think this is the Thursday video. Do we get a free spin in here? No, we do not. This is rather unfortunate. This is just kind of a... I feel like this is just a chip eater here. I'm sorry, guys. This is just us wasting 40 million chips. Oh, see, the microphone heard me. Pretty sure my snowball here is a wiretap, and it's just telling MyVegas, so oh no, he's bad mouthing us. We gotta step it up. We gotta give him some money here. So I'm gonna keep bad mouthing and seeing if that helps any. But we're still down over 10 million chips. This is looking really bad. And now we're about 80 spins in. So we only have 20 left. We haven't gotten a single bonus game yet. We haven't gotten any free spins going. I don't even really know what the theme here is. This is looking... It just looks lame. I'm so disappointed here. The music's alright, I guess. But there's just nothing going on here. I'd love to see one free spin. Just something for my effort. Just something for my trouble. Oh, that was almost a jackpot. It looks likes to hype that up. A lot of near misses on this game, and you guys know how I feel about near misses. It's kind of an addictive sort of thing too. That really kind of plays on people with gambling addictions. It's something I wanted to research and something I wanted to do a video on. I think I've talked about it before too. I just don't know how to go about it really, and I don't know how I'd interview for that. I don't really know anybody that's open about having a gambling addiction, so it's a tough thing to figure out. We're on our last spin. Wow, that's it. Literally nothing happened. I think we got 3 little gremlins over here. That's all that happened. Wow, I think we just straight up lost 16 million chips here. I'm immediately gonna go ahead and say that this is one of the worst slots in Vegas, but because this is a scientific experiment here, I put that in quotes in case you guys didn't see that on the screen. Scientific experiment. We are still going to go ahead and take a break, and we're going to count up the booty to see exactly how much we won, quote unquote. Alright guys, sorry about that. I clicked a Mitzi gift over here in the inbox, and that kind of jumped our totals up over here, but the math that I did before, we lost 16,630,000 chips, meaning that we had a payback percentage of 58.42% on the Forbidden Sevens, and now I know why they're forbidden, because you don't get anything above 7% of what you put back in. It's just bad, so don't play Forbidden Sevens. It's really boring. There were no bonuses, there were no fun mini games or anything like that, and you don't get a good payback percentage, so we are going to avoid Forbidden Sevens from now on. If I could put a giant X over this, that'd be bad. Next time, looks like we've got some new stuff. We got to follow up around Luxor here. So we got the Mandalay Bay Surfs up. Already did that one. So it looks like we got Glee Musketeers, New York, and Excalibur round 2 again. The boost, it looks like the princess in this one looks like she's all armored up and she's got herself a dragon. So it might be kind of cool to do a little Excalibur sequel there. I think I might do New York, just so we can get all the rest of the classics out of the way. And then we'll do Excalibur, the boost next time. So until then, guys, Ace of Vegas is signing out. And happy spinning.